teams up with French football club Marseille FC for the first ever collaboration on the women's Air Max Craze, introducing a sleek sail colorway limited to just 1,013 pairs. The number likely nods to the 13 department code for Bouches-du-Rhône, southern France. This Europe-exclusive release swaps the usual nylon upper for an airy synthetic build, with triangular overlays peeking from underneath and a braided knot replacing the standard zipper loop. Glacier Blue details on the pull tabs, outsole, and insoles echo Marseille's football kits. The right insole features the club's escutcheon and pair-specific numbering. A sail soft pearl palette balances clean, understated tones with vivid team-inspired accents. More than just a stylistic shift, this collaboration marks a collector-worthy leap for the Air Max Craze. No firm release date is set yet, but expect updates soon. Securing a pair could be a serious feat.